We are continuing with reflection. We are given a question. The point P 3, 4 is reflected to P dash in x-axis, and O dash is the image of O origin when reflected in the line PP dash. That means that time the mirror line is PP dash. Using graph paper, give the coordinates of P dash and O dash, the length of the segments PP dash and O dash, the geometrical name of the figure POP dash O dash, and the perimeter of the quadrilateral POP dash O dash. Right? The scale of the graph is not given in the question. So we will create a scale of our own. That's the first thing that you have to keep in mind. So I have created a scale of my own, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, both along x-axis as well as along y-axis. So what is the first thing I have to do? I have to write the scale on the top right hand side part. So x-axis, I have kept 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and along y-axis, I have 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Same scale I have kept on both the axes. Alright. Now he is saying that the point P 3 and 4. I have to plot a point 3 and 4. So this is x is 3 and y is 4. So here is my point P. So this is 3 and 4. Alright. Is reflected to P dash. Now this is reflected to P dash in x-axis, means the mirror line is x-axis, right? So this is the object, this is the mirror, and the image will be formed at the equal distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here I will have my P dash. And what are the coordinates of P dash? Coordinates of P dash are 3 and -4. And I know that when any point is reflected along x-axis, the sign of y coordinate changes. I got my P dash. Alright. Now, he's saying that O dash is the image of O origin. So this is my point O origin. And I have to reflect this point O in the line PP dash. That means I will join this line PP dash. So let me join this. This becomes the line PP dash. Now the mirror line is PP dash, and I have to reflect this point O along this line. This becomes the mirror now. Object is O, whose coordinates are 0 and 0. So the distance, the image of O will be formed behind this line at equal distance. So I have 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Here will be my O dash, and the coordinates of O dash will be 6 and 0, right? Now he is saying that O dash is the image of O origin when reflected in line PP dash. Using graph paper, give the coordinates of P dash and O dash. So coordinates of P are 3 and -4, and coordinates of O dash are 6 and 0, right? Then he is saying find the length of the segments PP dash and OO dash. PP dash and OO dash. Okay, let's measure this PP dash and OO dash. Is it 8? Yes, it is exactly 8 centimeters, or you can say that 8 units, 4 here and 4 here, 8 units. Then OO dash, you can see it's 6 centimeters, but let us still measure it. It is 6 centimeters because we have kept 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So we got the length of PP dash and OO dash also. The geometrical name of the figure POP dash O dash. That means we need to join these points. Okay, let's join them. So this becomes my quadrilateral PO P dash O dash, right? This is P dash, fine. And then he's saying that, now what is this? What is the geometrical name of this figure? As you can see that all the sides of this are, this is 5, this is also 5, this is 5, and this is also 5, right? So it is a rhombus. It can't be a square because each angle is not 90 degree. So it has to be a rhombus. Once we have found this as a rhombus, we have to find the perimeter of this quadrilateral. And we know that the perimeter of quadrilateral is, this quadrilateral is 4 into side. For that we need this side. We have directly measured it here, but we can use the Pythagoras theorem to measure this side also. So let's write it now. Okay, so this is my quadrilateral P dash O dash. This is a rhombus, right? O dash is the reflection of point O when I reflected it along the line PP dash, right? And the coordinates of O dash are 6 and 0. Now we have to write all these answers on our answer sheet provided. So let's write one by one. The first is, okay, let's keep it here. The first is the coordinates of P dash and O dash. Okay, so first is P dash is, how much is my P dash? 3n minus 4. And how much is my O dash? O dash is 6 and 0. You have answered the first part of the question. Second is the length of the segments PP dash and OO dash. That also we found out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So PP dash is 8 centimeters, or you can write units also, centimeters, right? Then you have to write OO dash. So 3 here and 3 here. Obviously this point will tell you the length of this line segment. This is 6. So your OO dash is equal to 6 centimeters. Then geometrical name of the figure PO P dash O dash. We said that it is a rhombus. So we will say third part, this is rhombus. Then the perimeter of this quadrilateral PO dash O. Now how do we find the perimeter of this? We know these two lengths, right? This we don't know, and we are not going to actually measure it with the help of a ruler. We will find it geometrically. How? We know that the diagonals of the rhombus, these are the diagonals of the rhombus. P dash, O dash are the diagonals of the rhombus, are they? Right? P dash and O dash are the diagonals of the rhombus, and the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. We know this length. How much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we will write in triangle PO, let this be M, PMO, it's a right angle triangle. So you can write OP square is equal to PM square plus OM square, right? So my OP square is equal to, what is my PM? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 units. So 4 square. And what is my OM? 1, 2 and 3, 3 square, right? So OP square will be 16 plus 9, which is 25. Fine. So my OP will be 5 centimeters. Now you have found one of the sides of this rhombus. Therefore, you can write perimeter of rhombus will be 4 into side, that is 5, which is 20 square units or centimeter square. You can even write centimeter square.